How to verify phone number on Discord. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. Now once inside the Discord app, all you have to do is tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. But if you are using the desktop version, then simply click on the gear icon at the bottom left near your username. Then, once you are in your profile section, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then, all you have to do is tap on the account option available in there. Inside account, tap on the phone option available there. Then enter your mobile number and click next or continue. Then Discord will send a 6-digit code and enter the code if the app prompted. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.